I trust you. In this video, we are going to see how to transfer money. You click there, and then you click on wallet, then you click on transfer. After clicking on transfer, you first transfer the money from the cash wallet, and of course the cash wallet is selected by default, cash wallet. Then I have $31.5 in the cash wallet. I send it to the transaction wallet. Then after, I put the amount, which is $31.5. After that, I say cash out. Then I put my PIN. Then after putting my PIN, I say transfer. Now, once the transfer is successful, I go back to the 3 lines there, and then I click wallet, I click transfer. As you can see, it has moved from cash wallet to transaction wallet. So I need to send it to someone. So it's moving this time from the transaction wallet, and it's going to the transaction wallet of someone. It's going to the transaction wallet of someone. So I will select the username of the person I want to send it to. That's the username right there. You can type it there. And then I put the amount. Sorry, this has popped up. I pull it down. I put the amount, which is $31.5. Then I put let's say something like that. And then I put my PIN, and then I say transfer. It's instant. This is fantastic. It's the best business you can ever find on the planet. So that is how you do the transfer. You can see it's instant. If I go back to my dashboard, you will see that the money is not in my cash wallet, is not in my transaction wallet. It's completely gone. It's gone to the person I was sending it to. Thank you very much.